Hello, YouTube. This is Mine 10,000 here. Yeah, Beta 1.6 came out, and quite frankly, I don't want to update because of mods. Now, if you saw the intro, you probably realized that this is not episode 2. No, that's coming on Monday. This is an extra. Extras are little episodes, not episodes. Extras are little videos I make in between episodes when I'm bored or I want to do something but don't want to take an entire episode to do it. So, in today's extra, we're going to make some explosive comparisons. Literally. There are a bunch of different explosives that are added by mods, and I wanted to compare them all. Due to a gross compression error, I lost the video of me originally doing the explosions, but I still have the world where I did them so we can compare crater sizes, and I put down video. This will hopefully shorten it a lot because the previous time I was just rambling, but anyway, so let's take a look at the contenders. Hang on. Trash. Don't need that. Don't need really any of this anymore, actually. Don't even need that axe, but actually, just for fun, let's do some explosions. Because it would be an awfully bad episode if there were no explosions. And, you may be thinking, dude, what the heck is this? Well, actually, no, you'd probably be saying that about, where is that blasted portal gun? Yeah, that's a mod, it's the portal gun. If I could find it, it's awesome. But up there's the portal gun. But that's another episode. Anyway, yeah, but just for fun. Yeah, see, so, yeah, this is the whole, well, the sign's over there, actually. Okay, so this hole was made by, wait, I completely lost my place. Okay, so let's start with good old-fashioned TNT. You know, the kind of TNT where you place it, you whack it, and you run. And it makes a big explosion. Like this. Well, this is another hole made by TNT. It's more precisely measured. You see, the hole made a 4x7 hole, 4 being the length, and 7 being the length, 4 being the depth. If it be the other way around, that'd just be weird. And from the hole, I recovered 57 blocks of various material. So, this is normal TNT. This is our benchmark. So, the next explosive I tested was from the Plasticraft mod, which I will be doing a review of later. This is... Some of you are familiar with the plastic explosive C4 in real life. Well, this is C4 in Minecraft. Much bigger hole. Alright, it was, I recovered 257 blocks of material from this hole. And, the hole was 16 units wide, 7 units deep. So, it's a pretty big hole. Wow, it's a pretty big hole. Anyway, so, from Industrial Craft, we have Industrially Improved TNT, or ITNT for short. It's supposedly better for TNT mining, and you may notice the hole here is a bit smaller. It's 5x3, 5 blocks wide, 3 blocks deep, and I recovered all 70 blocks from this. Can you believe that? 70 blocks of material. So definitely better for TNT mining. Now actually there are 2 more, and both of them fall into the category of nuke. Now, I refer to them as Ghetto Nuke, which is this thing right here, and Really Awesome Nuke. The Really Awesome Nuke is from Industrial Craft. The Ghetto Nuke is from STK's gun mod. Sorry, STK, but your nuke isn't as awesome as the Industrial Craft nuke. Just for fun, we're going to detonate one right now. Run. Run. I should have used my portal gun, but what the heck. Oh, see, it nearly killed me. But, see, yeah, that's the hole. Notice how there's nothing left, like no blocks to pick up. I guess the nuke incinerates all of them. Must be a A-bomb or something. And anyway, this is another hole. I measured this out. It's 12 blocks wide and 4 blocks deep, and I recovered nothing. It says Ghetto Nuke. I hope that's the right way you spell ghetto. If there's another way to spell it, please let me know, because I might use that term again in future episodes. Now this, whoops, huh? Now which way was my big nuclear explosion? Well, we'll find out. What the? Oh, apparently that's where that was. Okay, well, huh? What? Oh. See, that's the problem with portals. Is that, well, you may be thinking with portals, but portals aren't thinking with you. That may make no sense whatsoever, but it's true. Hang on. Better set this to peaceful. Don't want to be killed by a million zombies when I go walking through the forest at night. Which is something I don't recommend doing in Minecraft, because you will be eaten by zombies. Ooh, look, a fox. See, I have Mo Creatures installed on this one. And that's a random dome over there. Don't know why. I had Biosphere World Generator installed, and... Stupid fox. Get away! And, well, he drops nothing. Makes a weird noise when you... Okay, so... Ladies and gentlemen, no holds barred. This is the Industrial Craft Nuke Crater. Yeah. You'll know it when it happens. That's the name of the Fallout mission, and that's also the name of this crater. You'll know it when it happens. Okay, so just to give you an idea, the line starts here, and then continues on all the way over there to the farthest point. So let's take a look at the statistics. The sign was over here. No, it wasn't over here. It was... Yeah, it's been a while since I've been up there. It is all the way over there. What? What? Okay. Note to self. Move portal. Ah, stupid portal gun. Hang on. This usually works. Isn't that just annoying? I mean, really. Yeah, you kind of have to get a jumping start, but anyway, it was a 12 by 43 crater, 43 obviously being the width, 12 being the depth. But and it recovered question mark number of blocks. It wasn't actually that high. I was too lazy to count those, so it's just question mark now. Still though, people, look at this crater. You have to craft it with uranium ingots, which that in itself is sort of enough of an excuse to make using nukes very difficult. So anyway, just for grins, let's put a portal over there. So yeah, in the order of most effectiveness, the nukes are as follows. There's, the explosives are as follows. First is Industrial TNT, which has the smallest crater, but recovers the most blocks. Then is Normal TNT, which is Normal TNT. Then there's C4. Actually, no, it's Ghetto Nuke, which makes a big crater but recovers nothing. Then there's C4, which is incredibly more powerful than a nuke. I don't know why. SDK, you need to collaborate with other mod people. And finally, there's the cat daddy of them all, the Industrial Craft Nuke, which creates a massive crater. So let's see where this takes us. Oops, oh, fail. That should be in the outtakes. Well, yeah, so... stupid bird. Hang on. I don't feel particularly kind today, so all you animal rights folks can complain all you want, but... medium bullet. No, Kalashnikov does not take medium bullets. Light bullet, alright. Okay, so you get the idea, folks. So yes, this is the explosive comparison. Stupid cow. Anyway, so, what the? Sheep. Anyway, so, yeah, this is the comparison of the explosives. So check out my first episode if you want to watch my series, and so I guess this is it. Goodbye.